In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple belly fat burner drink that will aid in weight loss, increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, help to detox your body, to relieve the feeling of bloatedness and feeling fatigued so that you can get on with your day. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple belly fat burner drink as part of regular diet at least 5 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling drink consists of only 6 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 cucumber, 1 cup of chopped parsley, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, and a glass of water. When you have everything gathered, add all the contents to a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. Once all the contents have been mixed, you can place them in a glass and you can have straight away. For the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have a glass in the evening before you go to bed. This is a simple drink that not only helps to boost the immune system, it also helps to detox the body, help to lose stubborn belly fat while improving digestion, to alleviate bloatedness or feeling fatigued, and you will start to see results in as little as 14 days. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised at how good it actually tastes to keep you sustained throughout your day. If you're looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. If you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.